Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I create really cool and science fiction scene with using Octane render like this. So firstly guys, I'm going to create a simple composition. So I go on Octane here and use live viewer window. And guys, select this window, drag and drop on left side. Yeah. And now guys, I take cube and change cube size. Guys, all size I take 50 centimeter and click on here. Yeah. Right. Okay. So guys, now I apply texture, simple. So create new material. And open this material. Guys, I go on here, material type, use glossy. Yeah, and guys, go to node editor, create full screen. Guys, I apply texture. I show you. See guys, that's my texture. And guys, you can also apply JS displacement texture like this. Yes. Guys, select this texture and drag and drop in node editor. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, connect with diffuse and copy this texture, holding control key, drag and drop. Yeah, and use displacement. Guys, select this texture, connect with input, and displacement, connect with displacement. Yeah, so select this displacement and level of detail. You can take anything. I like this one, simple, and amount I take 5. And guys, mid level also change. I take 0.5. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select this material and I go to diffuse, and guys, also change color like dark gray, simple. Yeah, and close this material editor. Yeah, and apply on cube. See guys, that's my textures. Actually cube, that's really good. Okay, so guys, save this file, and that's most important part. Yes. Okay, so guys, now I apply one more cube, and this time cube size x1 I take like 350, and y-axis I take like 1000, and z1 I take same 350. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, go on here, display, select out shading lines, and also increase segments like 3 and more. I take like 25 is good, 25, and z1 I take 3, right. Okay, all is good. Now guys, I use cloner. Select this cube, this one, first one, and make charge with cube. Actually cloner. So select this cloner and mode I take object, and select this guys, cube 1, this one, drag and drop in object. Yes, that's it. And change distribution type. I use edges. Yeah, like this. See guys, right. Okay, so guys, you can hide this first one, hide and hide on render, and apply random effector tool. Yes, see guys, select this random, and actually guys, go to top view panel, top, simple, and closer, go to in and closer like this. Yes, that's my composition. Okay, so guys, now I take camera and camera check. Guys, select this camera and all rotation 0 and P rotation minus 90. Yeah, and position 0, and y-axis I take like 400, and z1 0. Yes, see guys, that's my composition, right. Okay, so guys, select this random effector and parameter change. Guys, randomly change like this, and y-axis also, guys, also change y-axis like 500, and z1 change. Yes, closer, yeah, and little bit go on here. Yes, see guys, that's my simple composition. And again save this project. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, now select this, all is good, like y-axis 350. Yeah, see guys, that's my composition. And guys, also change composition size. So go on render setting and all take 1000 and height say 1000 centimeter, actually pixels. Yeah, okay, so guys, now I create strip. So use cylinder, this one, and cylinder radius I take 0.2 and height I take 1500 centimeter. And guys, again I take cloner, select this cylinder and make child with cloner. Yeah, guys, select this cloner, and guys, position I take y-axis take 0 and p dot x increase like 3 and count increase like 7 is good. So select this cloner, go on here, that's my simple strips. Yeah, like this, and go to back. Guys, now copy this strip, go on here. Yeah, and guys, select this both cloner, both strip, and copy, apply on here. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, select all and again copy and rotate like 90 degree. Yeah, and change position, simple position, change, go to back. Yes, right guys, see, that's my simple composition. And now guys, I take light, so use area light, this one, Octane area light, and rotate this light. So select this light and rotate like 90 degree. Yeah, and go to down. Yes, right. Okay, go to top view panel, and guys, now you can change also this random effector seed, this one, seed change. Yeah, yes, this is also good. So select this light and change position. Yes, I like this one, that's really good. Okay, so guys, now also change this color light. So select this light tag and texture, use RGB spectrum and click. Guys, I take blue color, you can take anyone, but I like blue color. Yeah, and yeah, all is good. Yes, so guys, now go on here, camera tag, select this one and post processing check, and bloom power I take 10, and camera imager check, exposure 0.9 and gamma same 0.9. Yes, and natural response check. Yes, see guys, that's really good. Okay, so guys, my light is complete. Now I create material for the strips. So create new material and go to animation, and guys, this time I take texture animation, this one, and like use same RGB spectrum, and color I take same blue, and go to back. Guys, this time power I take like 15 and surface brightness check. Yes, see guys, that's my strip material. So select all 4 material and apply. Yes, and guys, now copy this material, copy and open this material and guys, go on here. I change color. This time I take white color. And guys, I increase power like 25. So 25, yes, and apply on cloner. Same, apply, yes. Right, see, that's really beautiful. Okay, so guys, select this cloner. This one little bit up. Yes. Yeah, great. And select this one. Going to here and closer. Guys, you can change also position randomly like this, right? It's really beautiful. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful composition. Okay, so all is good. Guys, it take too much time for rendering because that's my heavy particles. And now guys, I take HDRI environment and guys, select this environment tag and power I take 0. Yeah, and guys, I create now fog effect. So add fog, click. Yeah, and click on here. Guys, density I take 0.1. Yes, and phase I take 0.5 and go to back. Guys, thickness I take 25. Yeah, see guys, that's really good. Guys, it take little bit time for rendering. Okay, so guys, now select this one and go to back little bit. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I go on render setting, click on here, and max amp I take like 3000 and specular depth I take 6, glossy depth 3 and diffuse depth I take 3. Yes, right. Okay, so guys, now I show you my final render like this. That's my final render. It's looking really good. So stop this rendering, stop, and go on here. Guys, use Octane render, use all GPU check and create render. See guys, that's my beautiful render. And now guys, I also change some color correction. So go on filter, enable filter check. Saturation I take 20 and brightness -5. Yeah, and contrast I take 10. Yes, right. After render, save this image. Okay, so guys, now I also change some light position. So close this rendering and guys, select this light and go to down. Yeah, that position is good. And go to here, render. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, that's it. That's my simple tutorial is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.